3 summer camping must-haves. Let's go. AG and I went on a recent trip, and there are a couple things I wanted to share with you I thought would be helpful. One of them first is a fan. Every good camper needs a great fan, especially to circulate the air during those spring and summer months. I found this really awesome fan from Amazon. It only cost me about $20. It oscillates, meaning it goes back and forth, as you can see here in the picture. I love it. Another thing that's so great about it is the ability to be able to adjust it up and down. And while I'm working, which a lot of times I am working on a laptop or listening to music or being able to write something, I can charge my laptop with my power station, which I'll be talking about in just a minute, and have my fan keeping the laptop cool as well as myself. And this fan looks small, but it really is blowing a ton of air. It's like a wind tunnel in a way. And it's perfect in that way because it keeps you cool and relaxed. Here's some video of my fan. And it is swiveling right now. It can also be stationary. Also, it is telescopic. So it moves up and down. It can move down. It can move flatter. It's just the most amazing, awesome thing for late spring, early summer camping. Okay, so I have to show you guys how this works with this fan. It's amazing. So the fan comes like this. It's compact. You can pull it up. See here. It has a telescoping neck, and you pull it all the way up. Let's see, so I can show you. Pull it all the way up here. And then it can bend, or you can turn it like this. It comes with a remote. And there are 4 different speeds. Fan speed, and then it oscillates, which is so freaking amazing. I love this thing. And again, it's compact, so you just push it on down. And then it closes flat. Look at that, isn't that amazing? And then, of course, the power station, 200 watt. I highly recommend it. It powers everything. It's powering my phone right now. And the third thing would be a toilet. Every girl's got to have one. I recommend it. Nobody wants to walk in the dark to a campsite restroom, or if you're boondocking, which means you don't have facilities, you're going to want one, especially one that has gel so you can throw it away. Another thing I wanted to point out is this power station. It's a 200 watt, so really just for basic needs. I have it fully charged. And what it'll do is I have it so it can charge my fan, my laptop, my cell phone, so just smaller items. And you'll be able to tell the wattage here, which is great. And it's really, really helpful. Usually you can get on a charge, you can charge maybe about 2 or 3 things over the course of a few days, as long as they don't go over the 200 watt allotment. It is the most amazing thing to have ever. I love it. Okay, the potty is awesome because it's portable. When you're solo, you don't have to go to the camp bathrooms on your own. You have one right next to you. And that's me smiling because I got to use the toilet without going in public and enjoying the view with my nice fan. And here's some gratuitous AJ photos for your enjoyment, enjoying himself in his nice blue camping chair. Such a cutie. One of the things I love the most is just getting to relax at the end of a camping day with my citronella candles, my laptop, and some great music. As you can see here, I had so much fun singing my heart out and just enjoying the simple life with my three biggest amazing finds that helped me make solo camping everything that I wanted and needed to be. See you guys next time. Enjoy the outdoors, DIY life.